This machine is the Royal Master Centerless grinder, model TG12x4, with high accuracy ram bed position control on our bedrock granite machine bed. The wheel dressers are our standard over-the-wheel template dressers. The process is a Thrufeed grind. What makes this project unique is the total automation platform. We have created a modern, flexible automation platform which can handle many applications with slight adjustments. Imagine your Thrufeed grind project. Imagine your Infeed grind project. We can adjust the concept just slightly to handle so many different parts. We are using a collaborative robot. The Universal Robot Model UR10 has a long reach and reasonable payload capacity. The collaborative type of robot operates in torque sensing mode to stop immediately on contact. We have a double protection zone by adding the perimeter guarding with Kion's Safety Laser Scanner SZ-B series. The Kion's motion sensor is located below the robot mounting near the floor. The robot motion freezes but keeps its position for instant reset when the Kion sensor is clear. The robot movements in today's video is in slower motion mode, not at 100% speed used in production. The double end effector is made by Robotique. Load and unload efficiency is increased with the two end effectors. There are interchangeable grippers on each end effector, and articulation is easy to manipulate. Royal Master provides you with solid models of the gripper fingers so you can 3D print your own or make them yourself. The robot is located on a sliding position stage attached to the side of the machine base. This makes for a rigid and repeatable location for the robot in the grinding position or in the setup position when changing a wheel or a work rest blade. The robot stage table is mounted to the side of the machine base. The base has parallel rails for sliding the table into position. A micrometer adjustment dial is used to align the position of the table to the grind zone. Two pin set positions are provided, one for grind and one for setup. The robot receives and returns parts from the lunch lady cart. This cart is custom designed and appropriately named as it has an offering for every appetite of part to be ground. It is flexible, convenient, and efficient. The four drawers are opened and closed by the yellow thumb of the robot end effector. One drawer at a time is used by the robot for loading and returning ground parts. Each tray has a custom molded foam insert. The foam insert is designed and made by Kaiser Manufacturing and sells for about $100. Royal Master Grinders sends you direct to this vendor also. The material has been tested and proven to be wear resistant and is coolant resistant. The machine attendant can pull a drawer open from the opposite side to exchange just the parts, the foam inserts, or the entire tray. The lunch lady cart is rolled up to the grinder. Hairnet is optional. The cart is preloaded with the parts selection of the day. The cart is electromechanically locked into position against the base of the machine with a Kion interlock. The robot delivers the cart to the grind position staging platform on the entrance side of the grinder. The cart is placed onto the on-deck platform. When called for, the part is dropped into the batter's box at grind level on the beam support. On command from the feeder program, the IAI robot cylinder extends to advance the part to the grind zone. The grind zone is a standard Thrufeed work rest holder with guides, wheels, and work rest plates. As the part exits the grind zone, it transitions onto the exit side guide and then tips to slide down the V-tube coated with UMHW scratch-resistant plastic. The part is delivered onto the baggage claim carousel past the part present sensor counter. When the part is on the carousel, the belt starts. The part travels around two 90-degree turns through the tunnel of love part blow-off dryer, and the part is delivered back to the operator side and positioned on a collection staging beam with a proximity sensor. This signals the robot to retrieve the part and replace it into its original cell position in the foam insert of the lunch lady part. Additional features available for this automated grinder include post-process measurement with feedback, Gray Mills coolant filter with magnetic separator, Royal Products air mist filter, and a machine enclosure. Imagine your Thrufeed grind project. Imagine your Infeed grind project. We can adjust the concept just slightly to handle so many different parts. Look to Royal Master Grinders for centerless grinding solutions, from standard centerless grinders to total turnkey package. Visit us at royalmaster.com. See more videos and engineering deep dive at booth6626.com.